Good afternoon, ma'am. Today we are going to see about electricity and magnetism in this video. Okay, electric charge. First we are going to see about electric charge. This is the mandatory one we all know about knowing electric field. Okay. What is electric charge? Do you have any idea? Okay. The electric charge are positive and negative. Okay, we all know. Like when the electrician come to our home, they have they have a pen-like structure. If they going to touch that, that will be getting one light. Okay, so that then they will have identified in this wire that charge, like electric charge is there or not. Okay, there are two electric charges. One is positive and one is negative. The positive one, how will it come means when the electron moves fastly, the positive one will come. When the electron moves slowly, the negative one is come. So there is two types of electric charge, one is positive and one is negative. Okay. Next we are going to see about atom. Okay, what does atom mean? The atom is a particle. Okay, atom is a particle. In atom there are protons, electrons inside the atom. We all know it. Okay. If the atom firstly the proton is positive and the electron is negative. Okay, in an atom, if the proton is higher, that time the atom is charging positive. When the proton is negative, the atom is charged by negative. Yes. When the proton is positive, the protons are okay. The protons are high amount of protons in the atom. When the electrons are low, high, the atom is negative. So this is the quantum. Then the atom is neutral. So the atom cannot act as plus or minus. The atom can act by the protons and neutrons. Then we are going to see about Coulomb's inverse square law. What is that means? Why the law is invented and what purpose of using this law means? If you have examine one wire, that wire electricity is coming to your room. Okay, your room. So sometimes there will be problem, low voltage, high voltage. That is what we do. The electrician will come, and the electrician will come and check what the force of the electricity. So that is called as Coulomb's square law. What this means? You imagine one line is there, and here Q1 and Q2 the pointer. Okay, these 2 points below these 2 points, the electricity charge is that. Okay, so we measure Q1 to Q2. This is called as Coulomb's square law. So we measure the electricity charge by 2 distance and the force. How much force is inside the 2 points? So we can measure these 2 points in everywhere, anywhere. Okay, in room, in hotels, in industrial area. So we can measure the force of electricity by Coulomb's square law. Okay. Next, electric field strength. Okay, this is in the topic is also that is strength. So, what is electric field strength? How we calculate electric field strength is if the wire is there and another wire is also connected to wire, because there are so many wires in the conductor or circuits. If also, for example, if your electricity room, in your home, the electricity room, we open it, there are many wires inside the circuits and all that. So, to one wire to another wire transforming mode. That transform is called as strength. We calculate that as strength. So, how the electric field charges are transforming to another place, that is called as strength. So, that time we calculate electric field strength. Okay. Okay, next, electric lines of force. What is the electric lines of force means? Actually, if I getting one wire, what an electric field is there. That time we cannot see the electricity where this is going, we cannot see. So the researchers identify imaginary line. Okay, they identify the imaginary line. The imaginary line starts from positive and by negative. So they know there is one energy is going inside the wire or outside the wire or below the wire. Not only in the wires, inside only, not only the electricity is going for outside. When the wire is cut or broken, or the wire is damaged, that is what the electricity coming out, we don't know. That time we are going to touch and the shock will come. So the electricity we cannot see that, but we have the imaginary line. Okay, that imaginary line only. All scientists or everyone using the imaginary line to measure the electricity. So that imaginary line starts with positive and ends by negative. So we are using this line. This line is using to measure the electricity line force. Okay. Then what is magnetism? Actually, magnetism is found from unpaired electrons. Okay. When the electrons are unpaired, that time the magnetism created. And also, then when the electrons are in the motion, that time also the magnetism creates. Okay. The magnetism has two poles, M pole, N pole. Okay. The magnet is like this, U. When the U is broken, the half magnet also we calculate M, N. So, when the magnet is broken, that is also one new magnet, and we question as M pole, N pole. So, all the magnet pieces have M pole and N pole. Okay? So, what is electric charge? Okay. Then what is atom?
Atom is nucleus, consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons.
What is magnetism?
Unpaired electron.
Okay. What is? There are two poles. What are them?
North pole, south pole.
Okay. Then what is electric force line?
It's an imaginary line.